Today we are going to learn about family. Do we all
Today
have
I got an
families?
opportunity to teach KG all about family. It is a very sensitive topic nowadays
nice.
because to make them
Now,
understand the
all
little
will
ones
sing along
what
with
is the
me.
difference
Finger
between joint
song.
family
What
and
are
a
we
nuclear
going to
family.
learn? Finger family song. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? You all have to sing along with me, okay? Once again. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mama finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Can we pat ourselves? Pat. Good job. Today Nusrat ma'am will teach you what is the difference between joint and nuclear family. Okay, so let me first of all tell you what is joint family and then I will tell you what is nuclear family. Everyone close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Who am I? Can anybody tell me who am I? Dadu! I'm a grandfather! Okay, where is my granny? Granny! And we call it Dadi as well. What do we call her? Dadi, and in English we call her granny. So, grandpa and granny. So, in our family, who all are having grannies at home? Wow! You all are so blessed. Are you happy to have granny at home? So this is my joint family. What do you mean by joint family? Where I have grandfather, grandmother, dada, mama, brother, sister or baby. The entire family is called joint family. What do we call it? Joint family. Nuclear family. That is called? Which family is this? Nuclear family. Let us ask your friends. Sorry, yes?
I need to tell you something.
Yes, please tell.
Why is it colored?
It's okay, then also you are in a nuclear family. Okay? That is also a nuclear family. If you have only mama, dada and only you, that is also a nuclear family. If you have a sister, that is also a nuclear family. If you have a baby, that is also nuclear. We believe on learning by doing. So I introduced everything wherein they can do themselves, and then they're gonna understand what really grandpa is, what really grandma is, what is nuclear family, what is joint family. So I planned that I'm gonna, take a cutouts of a smart houses and I'll write their names with a big smiley. This is Vanya's house, this is this house. And then I'll give them the cutouts of grandpa, grandma, mother, sister, brother, baby, dada, brother, sister and baby. Whosoever lives with you in your family, you have to paste the picture inside the window. This is grandpa's room, this is dada's room, whatever you feel like, okay? You have to add the pictures over here inside your house. Open the windows. Let's open the window. Open all the windows. To know whether they live in a joint family or a nuclear family. And apart from that, by drawing a little heart, was something, the emotions inside the little ones. Yes, I love my dadu the most. I love my mama the most. I love my dada the most. So I got to know something inside of a child. Okay, Hargun. Who is this? Hargun? Okay, this is your sister. This is Hargun, mama, dada. Hargun, you don't live with grandpa, grandma? I told each one of them, come out and introduce your family to your friends. Let them know whether you live in a joint family or nuclear family.
Mama, Papa.
Yes. I got to know many things. One, the vocabulary addition was there when a child was saying. Effective communication. The shyness was not there in the child. So, Kavya, you live in a nuclear family or a joint family? holding the house in their hand and telling me, I love it in joint family, I love in nuclear family. And the way they were introducing it, that was like something, these little ones could say this much means a lot to me.